How to change your phone number in Wise. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So basically, we're in the settings interface. Here, you can find different options and even customize it. So slowly scroll down. Here, you can find a section called Personal Details. Tap on Personal Details, and here on the bottom, tap on Mobile Number. So this is the place where you can change your mobile number. Now, in order to change it, first you must send a verification code to the number that you're using. After verifying it, you can easily change or add a new number. Later, that will be associated with your account and you can easily use it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.